good teacher is a doctor who heals ignorance and an artist who inspires creativity. Dear teachers, today finally our day has come to express our heartfelt gratitude towards you all.
First of all, I'd like to thank our chairman, Raisa, the banyan tree of our life, with deep, firm-rooted morality who inspires us to climb up.
He, along with Madhu ma'am, has provided us with huge knowledgeable branches of teachers who are encouraging and inspiring. Thank you, teachers. Happy teachers.
I would like to extend a special thanks to the teachers of our district, Mr. Mohit Rai and Mrs. Neetu Rai.
Has anyone seen the air which gives calmness and life to mankind?
Yes, Aputi, the two best life givers of this great institution of master students who work day in and day out
To provide all the best we can listen without ever appearing in the conscious scene.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir, for your resourceful contribution.
Thank you, ma'am, and thank you, sir. We all have prepared a special message for all the teachers. We look forward to you enjoying. Sir, do you have any special message for our teachers on this Teachers' Day?
That we should be very caring like brothers and like mothers.
Our biggest support is a respected principal madam of great vigor and enthusiasm. She is a most appreciable and respected teacher, guru and mentor, always encouraging.
Be tough and get going is what she has taught us. And so here we are today to thank her for her sincere dedicated efforts. Thank you, ma'am, and
A happy Teachers' Day.
Now to the sweet and most appreciated intelligent guide of our childhood days, Mrs. Rekha ma'am.
A big thank to you, ma'am, for nourishing us through those tender days when we as sensitive beings needed it the most.
You have made an everlasting imprint of love, kindness and compassion in our young hearts and shall always be remembered as the sweetest teacher.
Thank you, ma'am.
Who is your favorite teacher and why?
My favorite teacher is Shweta Bhatia ma'am because she is very helpful and she teaches me SST very well. Happy Teachers' Day. Thank you. My favorite teacher is Jasmine ma'am. She teaches us SST and GK. She is very loving and caring, and I am proud to be a student of her class. She also teaches very nicely. Happy Teachers' Day ma'am.
When I saw Garima ma'am's teaching, I was very impressed that how could a teacher do a lot of hard work? We don't do so much of it. How much our teachers do? Friends, you have heard that teachers are a very good example of a role model. And according to me, Garima ma'am is a perfect one. Thank you and happy teachers.
My favorite teacher is Mrs. Pooja Bhatia ma'am because she is a nice teacher and she is very kind-hearted teacher. She goes through the chapter thoroughly and explains me very nicely.
My favorite teacher is Mrs. Sunita Rawat ma'am because she teaches me maths and makes maths so easy for me and all my classmates. I am so grateful to her because of all her teachings. My favorite teacher name is Mrs. Urmila Pant ma'am. She teaches us Hindi. She teaches us poems and stories very well. She is a helpful teacher. Thank you, ma'am. We love you, ma'am. Happy Teachers' Day. My favorite teacher name is Mrs. Sunita Chilwal, ma'am. She teaches us Hindi. She is punctual and particular about her work and duties. She is always smartly well dressed up. She is the source of inspiration. Happy Teachers' Day. I love you, Sunita Chilwal, ma'am. Thank you.
Mrs. Anshu Srivastav ma'am, you are my idol, my mentor. The way you taught us science was really wonderful. My science would be just like sea without water if you would not be there. We love you so much, ma'am. Happy Teachers' Day.
My favorite teacher is Mrs. Varsha ma'am. She teaches us English, literature, grammar. When she teaches literature, she tells stories and explains stories very well. And she teaches grammar very well. I like you, ma'am. We all love you. Happy Teachers' Day. My favorite teacher is Bharti ma'am. She teaches us GK. She is a very kind-hearted teacher.
She never scolds you us. I love you, ma'am. Happy teachers. My favorite teacher is Shweta Bhatt ma'am. She teaches us EVS. She has cleared our all doubts. She answers our all questions. We love you, ma'am.
Our most dedicated and hardworking teacher, our Phyllis Tandawar. She gave us the confidence to play any sport. She is very caring and kind-hearted.
Her motherly nature is above any appreciation. We find love and care in your scolding too, ma'am. Thank you for everything you have done for us. You are the best physical education teacher, ma'am. Thank you and happy Teachers Day, ma'am.
The most dedicated and hardworking teachers of our RN society is none other than our beloved Suraj sir.
He is the reason why half of the RN started playing volleyball, and we have a very dedicated volleyball team.
The only person in this whole world who is more eager to rectify our mistakes in a game is none other than our Suraj sir.
सर, आपने हमें खेलना सिखाया
आपने हमें जीवन में आगे बढ़ना सिखाया
और सर
अब तो हर फ्री पीरियड में बस आप ही याद आती है. थैंक यू सर. हैप्पी टीचर्स डे.
Favorite teacher is Sunita.
The word yoga has been connected to the very special person in our life.
From the most toughest Garudasana to the easy Padmasana, she wants accuracy. Teaches every yoga asana with a perfect accuracy to the students, which helps in the development of yogic skills.
Pushpa ma'am is our favorite teacher because not everyone can play with words to express themselves. Some need weasel and paints. You laid the foundation for that form of expression for us. We are very thankful to your teaching skills and your creativity. For you taught us something that nearly can't be taught. Happy Teachers Day, ma'am. Asha Pandey ma'am, our dance team making this Aryan dance in our own way and making the scenario enthusiastic. Presence of her has been important as she has been the queen of the moves and the fulfiller of the celebration. Colors filled by the dance have been point of attraction and the love of the audience. Being the light of the upcoming dancers, she has led the entertainment of the RL family. Thank you, ma'am, and happy Teachers Day.
Deepa Agrawal ma'am. Ma'am, you are a teacher who connects us to the world of books and the adventure that comes along with them.
Your words are so knowledgeable that encourage us to step in the outside world, and even you encourage us to take part in the various competitions outside.
Ma'am, you are really precious. Happy Teachers Day, ma'am.
My favorite teacher is Meenakshi ma'am. Today I go back to the beautiful lanes of memories where she taught me computer science. Our computer classes were so full of love and passion. They were so remarkable. She really did treat me like her own little daughter who appreciated me and scolded me when I didn't stand up to my potential. For others, you might just be a teacher, but for me, you are a superhero. Happy Teachers Day, ma'am.
A good teacher teaches from the heart, not from the book. So my favorite teacher is Gauri Nandan sir. Thank you, sir, for making us what we are today. You have been a guiding light for us. You have not only taught us the lessons from the book, but also taught us the lessons from life. Happy Teachers Day, sir.
My favorite teacher is Shivani ma'am because of her friendly nature. She is always ready to help us in any way she can. She made friends with us in almost no time. Happy Teachers Day, ma'am.
My favorite teacher is R.D. Sharma sir. True teachers become themselves as bridges and allow students to cross through it. He is my favorite teacher because of his supportive, caring and his funny nature. He is a very helpful teacher.
Naveen Pandey sir is my favorite teacher. Aryan is always known for his teacher's determination and focus on making students' future bright. One of our such teachers is Naveen Pandey sir. Naveen Pandey sir teaches us SST, but with studies, he also gives us moral value. Naveen sir simply is a great teacher. Previously, he has prepared our team for SST quiz and the result was really fascinating. And in conclusion, I'd like to say that Naveen sir is the best SST teacher we can have. Thank you.
every concept. He is laborious, dedicated, a motivator, and above all, the best guide for students. Happy Teachers Day, sir.
My favorite teacher is Asha Bajpai ma'am. This is because she listens to our problem and finds the best solution for it. Besides her subject Hindi, she also teaches us one moral value each day, which is undoubtedly beneficial for us. Overall, she is one of the best teachers I have ever come across in my life.
My favorite teacher is Kamlesh ma'am. Her way of teaching is superb, filled with love, care and joy. And more superb is her Hindi skills. Because of her awesomeness, we started liking Hindi as a subject.
Poonam ma'am. What to say about you, ma'am? You are simply the best teacher of all times. The time we spent together, I can never forget. Rather than being a teacher, you are my best friend. I just love you, ma'am, and these feelings will always be there in my heart, even if we are apart from each other. Happy Teachers Day, ma'am.
My favorite teacher is Aryan sir. He is a very passionate and hardworking musician. He has always been a role model for me. He always encourages us to excel in all the fields of life. He has a good sense of humor and is a very empathetic person.
My favorite teacher. She's an epitome of calmness. She does not pressurize us to be good in academics, but helps us to have better moral values. She's the most motivational person that I've ever met in my life, and I want her to be my teacher in the next session also.
My favorite teacher is Anshika ma'am. She is an amazing teacher. She is very supportive and understanding. Maybe we may not remember everything she said, but we'll remember how special she made us feel.
K.N. Joshi sir is our favorite teacher. Wow! What a wonderful teacher K.N. Joshi sir is. He not only explains physics theoretically, but practically as well. His theory and his concepts are clearly visible. He always explains with a real life example. So I wish, because of his theory, we can become second Einstein of the world. Happy Teachers Day, sir. Thank you.
Favorite teacher is Hemlata ma'am. This is because the way she teaches us makes the chapter more interesting. We never hesitate to ask any problem for her because she is always ready to solve our problem. She is dedicated, motivated, and always ready to teach us new things. She also shares her general knowledge with us. Happy Teachers Day, ma'am.
My favorite teacher is Jaspreet ma'am because she is very helpful and caring and above all understanding. She treats all of us like her children. And ma'am, your lessons are very interesting and a happy Teachers Day. A teacher is a person who lights up from the both ends and he is a candle. So my favorite teacher is Mukesh Bhatnagar sir. In his class we are free to ask anything and along with maths he teaches us the moral values which are the essential things for the life. And thank you sir. Have a nice happy teacher. My favorite teacher is Radha Chalman ma'am because she is the most inspiring teacher I have even studied from. She have made such boring lessons so interesting that now it is one of my favorite subjects. We love you ma'am. Happy Teachers Day.
My favorite teacher is Beenu Yadav ma'am because she teaches us like a friend with always a happening smile on her face. She is a loving teacher and pampers us a lot. She cares for us and wants us perfect in academics as well as in our life. Thank you and happy Teachers Day.
My favorite teacher is Sonal Batra ma'am. Teachers play a vital role in our life. Sonal Batra ma'am uses a humble tone while teaching and is friendly too. I love to study in her class as she seems to be very knowledgeable. She is a young teacher but her way of teaching is quite unique. At last, I would like to conclude by saying that she is an excellent teacher with a quite unique way of teaching. Thank you.
Mamta ma'am, what to say about her? Complicated as a puzzle and but sweet as a sugar.
Dear ma'am, your outside strict projection is mixed with the motherly love of our concern of our rise.
We thank you from the bottom of our heart for the guidance you have given.
You are indeed the strongest branch on which we shall always love to cling through sunshine and shade.
Sweet as a mother, strict as a father, together as a sister and helping as a brother.
We love you ma'am. Happy Teachers Day.
Suresh Tiwari sir is a hard-working and dedicated teacher who cares for the welfare of the students. He is also a strict disciplinarian.
He wants every one of the students to score good marks in mathematics. Sir, I have really never seen a teacher who can express the beauty of mathematics in a way you do. They're truly an inspiration to us.
सर आपकी आवाज़ के तो हम बहुत दीवाने हैं सर.
सर आपकी आवाज़ सुनने के लिए तो हम स्कूल आते हैं.
You are the best sir.
sir.
Renu ma'am. Our first impression of Renu ma'am was that of a strict teacher. But as the time passed, we saw the other side of her, the side which reflects her sweetness. Her approach to bring out the best in us is really appreciable.
She is like a coconut who appears to be hard from outside but is instead soft from inside. She is perfectionist, idealist and a troubleshooter. You have always treated us as a child, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
And happy Teachers Day.
Kavita ma'am. Ma'am, first of all, I'd like to apologize for all the trouble and the nuisance that I created. In spite of that, I have immense respect and admiration for you, your methods of teaching, and the great command you have on yourself. I hope to never disappoint you again. Thank you.
An inspirer, a motivator, an engager. These characteristics are just a sample of what you demonstrate with all of your students, including me, every single day. Ma'am, you make me feel authentically supported. Thank you for being that genuine. Thank you for seeing me as a partner in learning. Thank you for being you. Thank you for being one of the greatest teachers out there. May you inspire others to achieve the greatness you have. Thank you, ma'am, and a happy Teachers Day.
I was never good at physics, but it is because of you, Nandkishore sir, that I at least wanted to try. Your jokes, smiles and even your scoldings will always be treasured in our heart.
Sir, you have just started teaching us and the bonding we have created with you is like the cohesive force which lifts us up. We promise to bring a good result this year. Happy Teachers Day, sir.
From the first day I have joined computer science, Manugaba ma'am, you have guided and motivated me. You are a strict teacher but with a warm heart.
Thank you ma'am for all those games played you have given us, and an apology for we have troubled you a lot in these years. And don't worry ma'am, we are not going to leave troubling you.
Thank you and happy Teachers Day.
Preetisha ma'am. Ma'am, you are like a compass that activates the magnet of curiosity, knowledge and wisdom in us.
You develop enthusiasm in biology by making all the seemingly difficult concepts easier for us.
You have been very approachable during revision time and juggle between the student to clear their doubts.
You relate bookish facts with your own personal experiences.
Ma'am, we really feel thankful to you for your contribution, support and motivation.
Love you ma'am and happy Teachers Day.
Jivanti madam, our Hindi teacher. No, let's go for Hindi. Jivanti madam, हमारी हिंदी की अध्यापिका जिन्होंने अपने विनम्र स्वभाव से हमें पढ़ाया और अपने ज्ञान से हमारा मार्गदर्शन किया। आज हिंदी की बदौलत हमारे जीवन के अंग अंग की तरंग से सभी के उमंग के रंग दबंग हो रहे हैं। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया मैम और शिक्षक दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं।
My favorite teacher is Alka ma'am because she is a benevolent teacher and hardworking and determined.
She engages herself in students' difficulties and solves their problems, assuming to be her own.
She is a good inspirer and motivator for her students.
She interacts with students compassionately.
We love you, ma'am. Happy Teachers Day.
Who's your favorite teacher?
Kanupriya ma'am.
Why?
Kanupriya ma'am.
What would you like to say about her?
Kanupriya ma'am.
Anything else you'd like to add?
Yes. Kanupriya ma'am. Ma'am, you've been teaching us since a long time.
And in this time, we haven't been able to express our regards towards you.
Ma'am, now is the time.
SST would never have been this much interesting if it wasn't you teaching us.
And these are not only the words of our batchmates, but of every single child who has got the opportunity to learn from you.
याद है मुझे आज भी वो दिन जब हड़प्पा सिविलाइजेशन पढ़ाया था। मैम, पशुपति महाराज की जय।
मैम, आप हमेशा हमसे ये कहते रहते थे कि बेटा समझ जाओ, बेटा समझ गए।
बेटा सुधर जाओ, कब सुधरोगे तुम?
मैम, समझ आ गई।
At last, we would like to ask you a question. Who you?
You.
Happy Teachers Day.